If you want to attach straps into your Google Pixel Watch 3, first of all, let's start, for example, from this right side. I'm gonna catch focus right here. Okay, now everything is good visible. So let's grab our first strap. And all you have to do, you have to actually press with this side of the strap on this button. As you can see, you can click on it. So put it like that. Click with the right side and now slide into the left one by pressing. Now we can release, and as you can see, we easily attached one of the strap. Let's do the same with this one. So we have to press on this button with our strap, press, and when you did it, slide into the left side. And now release. And as you can see, that's how you can do this. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.